So Texas natural resources are under an increasing amount of pressure. With thousands of folks moving to Texas on a daily basis, we have a need for management of these ever-changing resources, needs for conservation education to our public, and so the Texas Master Naturalist Program is here and ready to serve that changing Texas.
The Texas Master Naturalist Program is a volunteer training and development program. We train our volunteers to assist us in the field, doing outreach, education, stewardship projects, research, and give back to conservation.
The training began, it was intensive, it was fun, and I haven't stopped.
So many of our conservation community partners need volunteers. They have a capacity need, and our Texas Master Naturalist volunteers are here and ready to serve that purpose.